Hi, it's another day, and I just want to say you're welcome to my page. Well, I urge you to watch this video to the end because it's going to be really insightful, as I will be talking about a few ways that we can make $100,000 a year. Okay, firstly, let us do the maths. 100,000 divided by 12 months that we have in a year, it's going to be about 8333. That's about $8,333, like that. Now, divide this by, let's say, 30 days in a month. It's going to be about 277 point something. I just like to round it up to $300. It means that you need to make $300 per day to be able to hit $100,000 a year. Now I'm going to be showing you some means, just a few of them, that you can achieve this with. Firstly, my favorite is going to be YouTube. Oh yeah, with YouTube, you can earn this with YouTube. So talking about YouTube, oh my goodness, YouTube is quite my favorite. Yeah, so people make a whole lot with YouTube. Now firstly, you need to start up a channel. Now the most interesting thing is that it doesn't all have to be about your brainchild, because you can always get ideas from online. You can always browse, you can always get inspiration from other people's posts, and then put it in your own words and then start up your page. For instance, it's ideal that you talk about things that people actually give so much of their attention to. Like now we can talk about, when you talk about relationships, when you talk about making money, when you talk about health, I mean, these are things that will never fade off in life, because everyone always wants to make money. Everyone always wants to have a good life. I mean, live healthy, and everyone always wants a good relationship. Well, let's just say majority of us want good relationships. Yeah, it could be business relationships, it could be any kind of relationship. I mean, you could come up with topics like how to keep a relationship professional, because I know a lot of people struggle with some kind of keeping relationships professional. Yeah, especially when they seem to be familiar with the person in their everyday life. You know, when it comes to YouTube, you just need to have valuable content. Yes, that's it. You need to have valuable content. For instance, if you have a problem in your life, or you probably had a problem in your life that you have solved, and you know that a lot of people are battling with that same problem, you could bring it up. You know, you're going to have a lot of people gain from your videos. For instance, I used to have a problem with making money. I was always anxious. I wanted to make money. Probably I was always scared of being broke or something. And then I found a solution. You can always bring that to the table as long as you have value. All we need is value. All we need is valuable content. I mean, content that can impact people's life, content that can solve one or two problems in people's life, content that will make people glue to your page, that will make them glue to their screen, that will make them always visit your channel because they are looking for solutions. That is what we're looking for. And like I said earlier, it's not that difficult. It does not totally have to be your brainchild. You can browse online for what people have said, solutions people have preferred to different things. I mean, pick different people's solution, draw your analysis, put things in your own words, and come up to your page and make money from YouTube. Oh my goodness, make money from YouTube. There are people who make over $10K a month from YouTube. I mean, over $10K a month. Oh my goodness, I'm just gonna leave every other thing and stay glued out here. Well, I was just kidding. I'm not there yet, but I have mentors. I have people I follow. I have things that I follow to get to this state. And that's why I'm making this video. That's why I want to carry you along. I want us to do this together. I want us to come to a realization that we can be creative enough to come up with content that we can put out here on YouTube and make so much money from YouTube. It may not, you may not get the results you want for the first 1 year, but then it's okay. It is okay. All you need to do is to be consistent. Be consistent. Keep on posting and give it some time, and you're gonna become that thousandaire, that millionaire. You're gonna become from YouTube. And now that leads me into my next point, which is Etsy. Etsy is another amazing platform that you can make money from. I'm just going to tell you how. Etsy is one of the most amazing places to make money from. I mean, Etsy is super amazing. One thing I discovered from Etsy is that you really do not necessarily need to sell physical products. You can also sell digital products. Okay, for instance, let us type spreadsheet Excel. Spreadsheet Excel, watch this. Just look at all of this. Okay, now let's click on this one. We can see this is from the weekly crew, and they're making so much money. Okay, so most of the money that comes in here is profits. Yeah, and there's a digital. But do you know what the most interesting thing? You can always copy. Oh my goodness, I mean, copy with sense, dude. What I mean is, you could pick one of these Etsy's, one of these digital products from the weekly crew. You could go to Fiverr or Upwork and contract the work out. Tell somebody, create me something like this, but with my own brand. Do you understand? Now that particular digital product works because they have a lot of sales. Now you can see that this is what works. So you can take what works from there and duplicate it, but with your own brand, because you don't want to copy someone else's brand. You understand? You can pick one of those products and then contract someone on Fiverr, because personally I have no idea how to do that. So if I'm to work with that, I'm just going to pick that product, contract someone on Fiverr or Upwork, send them the sample and tell them, I want you to duplicate me something like this, but with my own brand this time around. My own brand, you understand? So you don't get banned from Etsy, because if you do something that has a copyright claim on it, you're going to get banned from Etsy. You understand that? So now you're just going to tell them, give me this with my own brand, but you're just going to have to try your best to make it better. Since you're the one copying, try to make it better. You understand? And that's a whole lot. You can make money by doing this. And now that takes me to my next point, which is affiliate marketing. I like to make money from affiliate marketing. So I have made some money from affiliate marketing, and but the way I like to do it is to go through Amazon. Now when I say Amazon, I'm not talking about Amazon Associate Program. I'm talking about the Amazon Influencer Program. Okay, so now let us search a product. Okay, now this is a product. Yeah, we see their sales. They make pretty good sales out here. And this is the description, all the things. And yes, down here are videos. Now these are videos. Now every one of them in these videos are Amazon influencers. So what they do, basically, they make reviews of products. They make product reviews for people to watch, and this could actually convince people to buy the product. Now if you're going to be an Amazon influencer, or if you are an Amazon influencer, this is where your videos will show depending on the product that you are reviewing. So now what they do is, if someone comes out here, watches a video and buys the product, whoever's video was watched and before the product was bought gets a commission. I mean, just like that. This is so beautiful. I mean, super beautiful. What a way to make money. It just looks like YouTube, like you make a video and then you get commission for it. Oh my goodness. So you just need to keep making more videos. The more videos you make, the more money you make. I mean, someone like me, I love making videos. So imagine me making videos, what I love to do. I'm doing what I love to do and I'm getting paid for it. Oh my goodness. This is super amazing. So I'm just going to show you how to sign up for the Amazon Influencer Program. But before we proceed, please like this video. Now back to what to do, or rather how to sign up for the Amazon Influencer Program. So now search the Amazon Influencer Program. Let's see. Now you click on the first link, sign up for the Amazon Influencer Program. The first link, these are others, but click the first link. Sign up for the Amazon Influencer Program. Now sign up. You click on sign up and follow the instructions. So for you to do this, you need a good social media platform. You need to have good social media accounts. It could be YouTube, it could be TikTok, it could be Facebook, and it could be Instagram. But if you're using Facebook, you need a business page, a business account for that one. And then when you are accepted, you're going to have to go and post about 3 videos for the Amazon, and then the Amazon human is going to check the videos, and then if they're okay, you can monetize your account and start making money from this Amazon influencing site. So that is how it all goes. So now we are seeing some other tips on this. You know, frequently asked questions like, what is Amazon influencer? How do I qualify for this program? How much will I earn? So now you can continue from there and just keep making videos, because the more videos you make, the more money you get. And as for me, I'm gonna make 1 million videos. Okay, so let me go to the next point, the next way to make such money. Now this one is called Amazon KDP. Amazon, it's Amazon but not Amazon Associate this time around. This is Amazon KDP. Now this particular one is almost like you have to do the work up front, and then once you do that, you're done. It's almost like passive income. So I just came here and I searched how to make money. Okay, now let us scroll down. Wow, here's a whole lot. I mean, all of these things are Kindle products. How to make money this, how to make money that, how to make how to make money. All of these things are Kindle products. So there's a whole lot out here. Okay, so now go to Amazon and click on books. Now click on bestseller. Now click on point bestseller, and now you see a whole lot out here, different categories. We're gonna have money, business and money. We're gonna have health. We're gonna have relationships. There's a whole lot of categories out there, and all of this can make you good money. But well, as for me, I'd rather you focus on the ones that are things that will always draw people's attention. Things like I said earlier, things like relationships, things like business and money, things like health, are things that will draw attention. So let's open business and money. Now, yeah, we see a whole lot of books out here. All of these books now are not made by people that are super geniuses, but there's just a way around these things now. So what we're going to do now, you don't necessarily need to write the book yourself per se. You can just pick one of the sample covers and think of an interesting topic. Get an interesting or creative topic. You can draw your inspiration from other topics from other people's topics, and you don't necessarily need to write the book yourself. You can just go on Fiverr and look for ghost writers. There are a lot of ghost writers out there. Yeah, now we can go to Fiverr. Okay, here's a lot of ghost writers with different amounts that they charge for ghost writing. Yeah. Now you can pick one of them. Just pick one of them, contract them the deal. You understand? With that your topic, now you give them that your topic, that your interesting topic, and then give them to give you a write-up, and they will write the book for you. You pay them for it, and now after that you come back for your covers. You can still look in Fiverr for people that do book covers, ebook covers, and then they'll get you a really nice cover. You can give them a sample. If there's any sample template you like from the Amazon page, you can download it. You can probably screenshot it or something and send to them. Let them give you a sample that looks like that, but this time around with your own brand. Now people are getting paid. You're paying people to get the ebook cover done. You're also paying people to get the ghost writers to get the book written, and now you have your nice topic. Then after that you get it, compile them, and then you post it on Amazon. So it's more like you're using money to get money. It's more like you're using money to get money. Yeah, but that is the way. You necessarily don't need to do any work for that. You just get to pay for the work to be done, do your compilation, and then come back to Amazon and KDP and post your book. Okay, so now you have you go back to Amazon, you sign up, you create, and then you upload your book out there, and your book is going to appear here. So now you literally have a very good book cover, you have a very nice content, and then your book is out there. So you can either use ads or you can use a social media page to get the traffic on your book. So but I'd rather we use ads. I like to use ads. So when you do this particular thing, you have a lot of people come to your page, and then they go through your book. Your book is nice. They give you really good reviews, and from there what do? You start making money, because what you did, you literally saw what was working and you took it out there, made a tweak to it, and brought it back to the market, and now it is working. So you are making money from this, and it's super amazing. So this is how to make your money work for you. Yeah, that's exactly what we're doing. You didn't really need to put in so much physical work. You just allowed your money do the work for you. Because yeah, you hired a ghost writer, and then you hired the ebook, the book cover designer, and now here you are. You put your book on Amazon, and then you're making money from it. Oh my goodness, I was going through this, and one of the reasons I'm doing this is because I was going through this, and I saw some people I know. Some of them are not even as intelligent as I am, but but they're making over $10,000 a month, and I'm like, oh my goodness, what am I doing with my life? This is something I'm going to have to venture into, and I'm bringing it to you too. I want us to do this together. And then you don't necessarily have to limit yourself to only money making books. There are other books in other categories. You can talk about relationships, you can talk about health, different categories. There's a whole lot. So do not limit yourself to one place. Just make sure you're creative enough to come on here, pick up ideas, take it out there, develop on it, and bring it back to the market and make your cool money. So We have come to the end of today's video, and I really hope that this video was helpful for you. If it was helpful, let me know in the comment section. Do like this video and subscribe to my channel for more valuable and insightful tips. See you guys.